When you need to get a second opinion with your child's vision. Okay, there's a few things that go on with vision. Most of us think of the structure of the eyes. Do I need glasses? Right? Some people are offered glasses. There's glasses for, I need to check my volume. Hold on. I put it in the lives in a certain pin. All right, let me start that over. When you need a second opinion on your glasses. Sorry, take two. When you need a second opinion on your glasses, is first of all, you have to understand why you might need, an ophthalmologist might need glasses. Okay. First of all, it's the structure of the eye, the power, the sphere. All right. Do I need, am I short-sightedness or long-sightedness? Like my eyes are going, I need reading glasses. And reading glasses in general don't cover for an astigmatism. Now, an astigmatism, or when the eye turns, it's doing just that. The eye turns, the cornea of the eye, everything turns. It goes on an axis. This is your cylinder and this is your axis, and it turns. So sometimes your eyes for vision are fine, but your astigmatism, the turn of your eyes, needs glasses. And the glasses will change, right? So you might have a cut this way, but you also might have a cut this way for the astigmatism. Now, what you're looking at with the eyes, right? Your vision comes through and it hits the back of the retina, right? That's how you have vision. Now, if the eye is too shallow, where's the vision going to go? And so the glasses line that up, right? Sometimes your eye is too deep. Where's the vision going to go? Your glasses line that up. So children can have directionality, meaning they see movement or motion, but they can't see. They're not actually looking at an object. They're not looking at their hands. They're not looking at the fork. They're not looking at the book, right? The book is there, and they might be flipping through pages, but they're not scanning. They're not looking. They're not seeing. So a lot of parents get confused. They're like, oh, I walk into the room, I get great eye contact. Directionality is different than the actual act of seeing. If your child's very good at color, well, guess what? If my eyes are crossed, I still can see blue, right? But they're not good at the actual object. So you'll see language differentiations, but also to short and long vision. I need to be able to look short but long in order to walk. This is where, again, vision goes hand in hand with your milestones. So when, I'm not a fan of prisms. Let's get typical vision first before we start messing with the eyes. I don't feel that children can comprehend prisms. They give you all sorts of things that you can stimulate the brain. Yeah, you can stimulate the brain all right, but so can soda. You know, I mean, we don't need to give certain things to our children. So we need to let them know what normal is. So the whole purpose of vision, first of all, is to have binocular vision. The eyes work together. Glasses make both eyes, or should make both eyes, the same, so the eyes can work together. Now we have to work on convergence. Convergence comes in, our eyes come in to the object, but they also go back out. Right? And they converge. You converge with your fine motor skills and your gross motor skills. Convergence happens throughout your body. But guess what? You can't catch the ball because your eyes can't converge. And that, again, is where eyes and vision go hand in hand. The other big thing that you're looking for is your midline crossing. People think midline's just the nose, but with vision, it's both eyes. Right? Do my eyes cross a midline? 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 Peripheral midline, right? Autistic kids, ADD, you will see really big difficulties in midline crossing, especially in their peripheral field. You'll also see it in Alzheimer's, right? Vision is a really good indicator of how the brain is responding. Now, you can have environmental complexities, you can have structural complexities, and you can have neurological complexities. Most people think because the brain is damaged, let's say you have cortical visual impairment, right? Well, my son has cortical visual impairment and his brain is fine. Hi, Hina. So you will have these kind of information differences. So you can have all three: environmental complexity issues, structural issues, and neurological issues, or you can have one of the above. right? It doesn't matter. Your vision should be functional. So understanding a functional vision, or how to evaluate a child's functional vision, is very important. So when glasses are offered for your child, but you don't see changes in binocular vision, like I have a little munchkin right now that's going to have a functional vision at Wolf examination this afternoon, because he's real right eye dominant, but far away he's left and he's right. But he's got glasses. Are the glasses the best for him? Listen, guys, labs make mistakes. They put the left lens in the right eye. You don't know. And when children don't wear their glasses, they say it's a sensory issue. No, if a child sees better, they wear their glasses, right? If they're not wearing their glasses, I would question the glasses way before I would question your child's ability to tolerate glasses. But for some reason, for special needs, it's always the kid's fault. Did you notice that? Not with me with movement lesson, because I heard it all the time. Oh, if he only was just stronger, if only he could see better. He doesn't. This is why I'm in services. What are we doing about it? And that's why I had to create my own thing, because it wasn't helping me. So that's what you're looking at with your child. That's the most important thing. So for patching, I really like patching. 3 to 5 minutes. But the biggest thing, how do we learn? By comparison. I like broccoli because I compared it to chocolate, right? I don't like broccoli because I compared it to chocolate. So you're going to patch, and I always start what I feel is the worst eye gets covered. The patching is there to allow the good eye to be like, oh. Imagine, and I don't mean to say good and bad eye, but imagine like there's a lot of construction going on in that lane and not here. Well, you're not going to drive on the lane with construction. You're going to go with the easier ability to get to where you need to go. That's what vision is. So we're going to take away the construction and that noise, that clatter, and I want the brain to go, wow, so this is what it's like to see without being cross-eyed or, having those visual distractions. Oh, I can hardly see what's going on. And this is where you'll see the fight, and they'll go around. But the brain has to start saying, but I want to see like this eye. Oh, okay, I have a little bit of vision. Okay, not anymore. I have some vision. And that's how the brain gets involved with your child's vision. And that's what you need to work on. They're very simple tools. They can be done at the supper table. They can be done anywhere. 2 to 5 minutes. Do not patch a child. Like someone says, patch for an hour. Well, they put a patch on, they go in the car. You're going 70 miles an hour with a patch on with a child with no depth perception. That's like a frog in the blender. They're not working on their vision. They're not doing anything. I've patched a munchkin here, and literally they've fallen asleep within 2 minutes. It's too much for them. They have to, it's like Monopoly. You have to learn how to play the game first before you start getting results. You start winning. You start doing these things. Patching should be fun. It should be easy, not like, I tried it once, they ripped it off. No, you have to be ready to go with vision. I have a patching course that you can do. But those are when to understand if your child basically is getting glasses or not getting glasses, and you don't feel that what I just discussed is available to your child, then you need a second opinion and maybe a third. Right? Finding a good eye doctor, right? They have to do a retinoscopy. Not like, look, do you see the letter S? Oh, they see, look, they said S. That's not seeing. They're only echolalic. They're repeating what you say, but that doesn't mean that they've seen it. And that's what's important for your child, that they have the opportunity to see and to understand what they're seeing, right? The biggest problem we have as parents, nobody ever raised us to say we're going to have to teach our kids how to see. But I don't care if you're working with a Division I athlete, right? You want to see someone with sick vision, amazing vision, go look at some old tapes with Kobe Bryant, right? He lasted as long as he did and everything like that because his vision, watch him jump up, still have the ball, and he knows where everybody is. His vision was amazing. Right? Vision isn't those who are struggling. You want a top athlete, you need good eyes, right? I'm golfing and I'm teeing off. I have to watch until that lands and goes, and I have to hold my pose. Like there's some invisible string that's going, but everybody looks at the club, but nobody's looking at the vision. But I have to follow that and go through, right? Vision will be with us and that's what Alzheimer's is, lack of peripheral vision. and you start seeing that. Eyes are really important, and we need to appreciate them and always stimulate them, because if we stimulate the vision, if we improve vision, we improve every movement in the body, including the movement of the brain. Thanks.